Okay, Scott, here's my new barn. Rolled roofing. This is my, I don't know, woodshed, I guess, on the side of it. Okay, so I got this mesh over here for now. Gonna get rid of it. But there's my shed. I used 2x4s along the side and then fence boards. I had to buy a few more. I kind of fucked up over there. I didn't cut the bottoms off to measure the top. Oh well. And there's a couple of extra 2x4s over there. So I got my lights up. Some damn, it's cold out here. I got some power strips up there for the battery tenders. Got my lights working. Some extra fence boards. Nice cover for my grizzly. Oh, this is my buddy's four-wheeler. This is John's. There's my Polaris, Grimace, Pee-wee, and Grizzly. And can't forget the go-go juice. Oh yeah. So that's my shed, or my barn. The way I did the roof sucks. It's a very small, very short pitch, so I'm gonna have to brush it off. But 2x10s. What do you think, bub?